Hello everyone, welcome to another video from the channel. Today, I will show you how to make an intro for your channel. You can do this completely from your cell phone and for free. Nowadays, it is much easier to do this type of thing on your cell phone. Before we start the video, this will help me a lot to bring more videos like this for you. Let's get started. The first thing you will have to do is download Canva. It is completely free. Just open your app store and search for the name Canva. And this is the application that you are going to install on your cell phone. In fact, it has a very good rating on the Play Store. It has a 4.9 star rating. Let's open the application. Note that on the home screen, there will be several types of templates for photos or videos. The first thing you should do is go to the search bar and search for the word intro. After searching for this word, you will see a lot of different intros and templates that you can create to put at the beginning of your video. Basically, we won't need to do any type of animation or special effect. The intros are already ready. Just change the text that is. It's important to highlight that many of them are paid, but there are also many free ones, so I'm going to click on the free one. I see that a template is ready. We can see that the word welcome is written, but we can replace this word with the name of your channel, for example. So let's click on the word and delete the text and put the name of our channel. Just by doing this, you can make an intro for your channel. I will also show you other cool templates. Let's assume your channel is Maria's channel, and after it's done, the text animations will still be on. Everything will be the same as the original template. The only thing that will change is the text. In some of these templates, you also have the power to change the color. I've already written the text. Now, to adjust the size and position it correctly. This is very simple to do. Some more things are written here too, but if you don't want more written things to appear, just delete them, or if you want other things written, just edit them. You can edit anything in this template. Let's see the result. This is just some of the templates available here at Canva. There are several free templates for you to test and edit as you wish. I took another template to show you as an example. This template is very dynamic. It has some really cool text entry and exit animations. As I said earlier, you can change anything you want, like the text, the color, and even the animation. After you finish making your intro, downloading is very easy. Click on the top right corner of the image where there is that upward arrow. Just click on it, and your video will be saved in your gallery. And that's all for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. I'll see you next time.